Who doesn't love a moist fluffy pancake? These coconut sweet pancakes are perfect for a quick breakfast to satisfy. Let's see how to make step by step. Prepare these: 2 eggs, a cup of sugar, same amount of coconut milk, flour and grinded coconut. Add eggs into a bowl and beat well. Now take a large bowl and add flour into it, then pour the eggs into it. Now add half tablespoon of turmeric to get a nice yellow color. Now stir and mix it well. Now add the cup of coconut milk and well mix. This is the key part. You need to mix all them together well to make a good thicker flavor. Either you can blend it and then it is easy to mix and quick well. Don't till it bubbling. After you are done, then no more scattered flour should be left. Solution should be same. Now cover the mixture and keep in the refrigerator. When we mix the flavor, then its temperature grows a little bit, so therefore we need to keep it cold. Then it makes more concentrated and thicker. Okay, now we are going to make the sugar sweet paste, so we should caramelize the sugar. So add sugar into the pan, keep medium heat and stir well. To avoid crystallization, you should add some water into it, then it becomes more fluffy and more thicker fluid. When its color changes to golden brown and it is bubbling, now turn off the stove and add a cup of grinded coconut into it. Now well mix all them together. Good job, you have done it well. Now we are going to make the pancake rotis. First add some oil into the pan and keep medium heat. Now take the mixture from refrigerator and use a spoon or small cup. Now fill some amount suitable with pan size, then pour into the pan. Then it's make nice circular shaped pancakes. Now keep medium heat and roast it one side. When it starts spotted brown, then flip into the other side. Probably it takes 5 minutes to roast both sides. Fill a cup and make this kind of rotis again. As the final step, add sugar paste on the rotis and roll it. Now you can enjoy with your breakfast or anytime or anywhere anytime you want. So thanks for watching. This is the end of my video. Hope you enjoy.